Hi everyone, in this video we will study LangGraph with breakpoints. Breakpoints is basically used for getting humans in loop. If there is some question that you would want to ask or there is some human input that you would want to take, then we'll use breakpoints. Let's start this. This is the third video in the LangGraph series that we have started, and here I have already installed LangGraph, and I have like in the earlier video we've created a state which is just input str. I have created three nodes: step 1, step 2, step 3, essentially printing step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay, and the graph is very simple. The graph is from the start we go to step 1, from step 1 we go to step 2, from step 2 we go to step 3. So here are the edges that I've written, and on the definition of the functions I have also added nodes naming step 1, step 2, step 3 for these three. And from step 3 we are going to go to end, and the checkpoint we are going to require this memory. So memory I've initialized here, and this is the way we build the graph. In building the graph we basically compile saying that the checkpoint is going to be memory and interrupt before step 3. Okay, so before we go to step 3 this will interrupt. Let's have a look at the graph. It's a simple graph: step 1, step 2, step 3 and end. Yeah, so let's call this, and we are going to say that the session is 1 here. So let's call this. You can see that after step 1, step 2, this thing is got stopped. And now let's call this graph invoke again with, so when you call this again with the initial input, it will go back and say step 1, step 2. And let's call this with none and the same session, and let's see what is the output: step 3. So you can see this is where we can have a checkpoint or a breakpoint, and then basis some input we can take a call on where to go next. Okay, so thanks a lot guys. I hope you're liking the content that I'm posting, and keep connected, keep yourself connected for more such content on AI. Thank you guys.